Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here. Real simple project this morning. We're going to be doing some more stack cutting on a couple pieces of leftover 1/4-inch plywood I've had lying around. We're going to be cutting out something tropical this morning. I found out recently my cousin loves flamingos a lot, so what we're going to do is cut out a few copies of this flamingo stencil that I found on a simple Google search. I just typed in flamingo stencil. This popped right up, so all credit for this design goes to whoever originally drew it. But what I'm going to do is trim this pattern out, trim this wood out, and then I'm going to show y'all how I get the wood prepped and ready for stack cutting. Here I am getting my stuff ready to stack cut. You see me lining up the wood and putting that piece of poster board between it so I can get a stencil for later. And here I am adding the clear packing tape. I don't really use spray adhesive a lot for my scroll saw projects. I do if it's a lot of internal cutting, but mostly I just go with clear packing tape because it helps lubricate the scroll saw blade. And I'm just getting it all nice and smooth here. Now I'm going to start attaching these brads. You see one. And at first I'm going to just kind of get them all started, but then I will finish driving them in, and this just holds the wood and keeps it stable. And you want to make sure that the nail does not poke through the back of it, because then it'll scratch up your scroll saw table, and you see me doing that. I'm feeling behind it, and now I'm going to move over to the drill press and start drilling holes. You know what would sound good right now? As I head over to the scroll saw here in a second to start doing the cutting on this project, I think we need to hear some music. Okay, all my cutting is done. Again, very simple project. So we're going to remove the pattern whiz going by. And if I had a perfectly square scroll saw table, this would just slide up and off just like that. And we're going to have 1, 2, 3 copies of these flamingos and a stencil from poster board that I had sandwiched in between. So there we go. I'll put this in a file folder to keep it safe, but I'm going to do some light sanding on these and this project will be done. I went over and sanded these up. I didn't see a need to film that, but again, we have 1, 2, 3 copies of this. I'm going to give these to my cousin the next time I see her. She loves to paint with acrylic paints, and you know, I really want to see how she's going to paint these and do them up and display them. So next time I see her, I'll hand these to her. Also, I'm sure you already noticed that my sticker swap sticker box is behind me. I mentioned in a previous video that I wanted to get it out of the corner of the shop and move it back here so you guys could see the sticker collection grow as I see it grow. So I got that done since the last video. But I think that is all for this video. Thank you all for watching. As always, thank you for all my subscribers. I'm up over 100 now. Thank you all so much for that. Please like, share, and if you haven't already, subscribe. Take care, and as always, God bless.